The first thing to do is to log onto the app, upload videos, and get paid up to $300. This is one of the easiest way to make money from home without doing anything, no experience, no clickbait, and you're going to make your money as you need to do. Guys, this is called fob.com. Now fob.com allows you to upload HD videos and photos, and they'll pay you as you upload them. You can get the app on the App Store, those using iPhone or iOS, and on the Google Play Store, those using Android OS, guys. And this is what they do. Simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash, guys, and earn real cash. Now when you upload it, right, a brand or agency who will find your nice photo or video will buy it, and when they buy it, they will share their profit with you 50-50. Isn't this easy, guys? Remember, don't do anything. Yours is to upload HD videos and photos, and you are paid real cash for it. Now I'll show you a trick, so guys, watch to the end, because some parts of Africa you won't get access to use the app, or you won't get this opportunity. So I'll show you how to move around the system, and for you to also take this same advantage to make that money. And I'll show you where to get such HD videos and pictures for free, for you to upload them on this place, for you to generate income. So remember, don't skip any part of the video, watch to the end, and it will surprise you how relatively easy this is. So when you click on the sign in, guys, is a sign in, right? You need to enter your email and password. Now as you can see here, when you click here, this is where you have to click to register. So when you click here to register, you choose that you are what, a creator. So click on creator. Now click on sign, type in your email address, and then click on sign up. You'll be sent an email, and what you have to do in your email is to confirm the account. So when you confirm the account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Now after entering the password, guys, you have to click on the sign in and enter your email and password as I've done. And when you click on the sign in, this is where you meet, guys. So you'll be brought here. Let me sign it quickly. So this is the sign-in page, guys. So let me click here. When you click here, guys, this is your photos, your profile, your transaction history, and the rest, guys. So click on your photos, and this is where you see the photos you've already uploaded, guys. This is where you see the photos you have uploaded. It will appear right there. You can see this is a fresh account I just created for this tutorials. So when you click on the photos, guys, so it says no photos here. Here there is a credit balance, there's invoice, there's account details, guys. This way you can change and add more of your information. And this is if any of your photos have been purchased, this is where you see it, guys. But you can see that here you can't upload any photo on their website, but you can do it on their app. So keep this in mind. But this is where the trick is. This is where most African countries cannot upload or install the app, because when you go to the Play Store you'll be told that this app is not available in your country. So I have placed a link in the description box. If you go to the app store and you are told that this app is not available in your country, guys, click on the link in the description box and download it. So when you download the app, you simply install it on your phone. So now when you install it on your phone, you see this. So when you see this page, welcome, right? So you can even still create an account from here, right? And because I've already created my account, guys, what I'll do is to just log in. Let's log in quickly with my demo account. Let me pause the video because of the password I will enter. I'm now with the password, so let me log in, guys. You wait a little for me to log in, guys. When I'm signing, because this is a fresh account, you can upload your first photo, guys, but I will skip it. I want to show you how much people are making from this website, guys. It will blow your mind. Now when you tap on the machines, just watch some of the money people are getting by just uploading those photos, where I will show you the easiest way to get them without doing anything, guys, without doing virtually anything. So watch it, guys. This picture is going for $150. This one is going for $250. This video is going for $500, guys. Look at how much people are selling their photos on this app, guys. It is just crazy. It is just dope. So now, so yours is to tap on these three lines at the corner, and then you go to manage photos. Go to manage photos. So have you seen what the plus and this? You have to tap to upload the photos that you upload. So I'll show you where to upload the photos. When you tap on the plus and you upload the photos, this is where to show you those that have bought your photos, right? Or the videos that you, or the pictures that you upload on this very page, right? So this is, so we can withdraw here. You can go to payment status, whereby it will show you your PayPal information and the rest. Let us move back to the PC and let me show you how much you'll be paid in the website that you can get this free things from, guys. Just free. The first site is called shutterstocks.com, guys. Now for Shutterstock, some of their videos and pictures have to pay for them, but some are free. So you have to go through and pick those ones that are free, right? So you can download the HD ones and you upload them on Fob, and then you can also go to pixels.com, where everything here is free, totally free. So you can get HD photos and videos and upload them right here on Fob, right? And finally, there's one called Pick Wizard, guys. Now Pick Wizard is also just like Pixels, whereby everything here is very free, guys. So everything is nice HD photos, right? People will surely buy this, guys. You'll buy it and you are going to make your money. So guys, this is one of the easiest way of you making money, guys. So I'm going to end here because I don't want the video to be too long. Try it out, go through everything and start making your money day by day. So guys, thank you very much, and if this is your first time of watching me, kindly subscribe And if you are already with me, or if you already subscribed, remember, drop a like. It really helps with YouTube's algorithm. So take care, and I'll catch you in our next video. Bye.